Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the prototype from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. Next, we're going to hop in and draw the face. Let's start by drawing the eyes. We're going to draw two large ovals that are slightly on an angle, like this. And then inside the left eye, let's add a circle. And another one inside. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to start on the sides next to the eyes, and let's draw a curve down and in on each side, meeting in the center. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now inside the mouth, we're going to draw a curve along the bottom. And then we're going to hop in and draw the teeth. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a line down. Then from the bottom, let's bring it out and up on each side. And now let's work our way out for the top row of teeth. Now underneath, let's do the same thing for the bottom row, but these teeth are going to be shorter, like this. And lastly, let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's finish drawing the rest of the head. Let's start on each side of the head, and we're going to draw two curves down, meeting at a point in the center. Now let's hop out and let's do the same thing underneath. Now to finish off the top of the head, let's draw a large curve up and bring it down to the other side. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw an angle on the top left and right. Then hop to the bottom and let's draw two. One more on the right side and two on the left. Now for the next part of the hat, let's hop to the top and let's draw two curves up, meeting at a point. Then underneath on each side, let's curve it down with a long line. and then curve it back up and in from the bottom. Now on the bottom of each side, let's draw the bell. We'll start with the circle. And then inside, let's add 2 curves across the center. Now at the bottom, let's add 2 black ovals. And underneath, an angle down underneath each one. And lastly, on top of the bells, let's add 2 curves down on the left and on the right, connecting it to the hat. And that's it for the prototype. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!